Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your personal name and picture on Hostinger email. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger webmail. Then go to settings. Click on identities. Here, make sure to select the correct profile. Yes, the email account profile that you want to edit the personal name for, and also the picture. Here, next to display name, fill in your personal name. In my case, I will go with Ben. And here, since there is no possibility to edit your email account profile picture, you can add a picture in the signature below your emails. Click on it like that. Click on these three dots and click on image icon. Here, click on this little upload icon. As you see, the maximum allowed file size is 64 kilobytes. Click on add image. Locate your profile picture like this. Double click it and it will upload here. After that, click on it. You will see a little data here. Click on save, and just like that, your personal or your profile picture can be used in the signature. Now click on save. Now let's test this, how this Hostinger email personal name and and picture looks like. So I will compose an email to myself. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Profile pic and name. Click on send. And now let's check out my other inbox. And this is the email message that I received on my other inbox. As you see, this is my personal name. And when I open this picture, when I open this email message, I see my picture here below my message. And this is how to change your personal name and picture on Hostinger email. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.